your first year in data science, that is I have an entire chapter dedicated to model deployment, because those are the things that they do not teach you in academia. And I know this, Piyush, I know you're telling the truth, because I've hired people fresh out of school, fresh out of programs, and they do not have those skills, and that's why I wrote this book. So I have an entire chapter on model deployment, on working with stakeholders, on working with your team. You're going to have to learn to work within a data science team. I have it on data collection, because you don't usually have to do data collection in academic programs. So you're welcome to read my book for your first year in data science. It's on Amazon. It's available as a paperback, as an ebook, and also as an audiobook. So all three formats are available. I have tried to make the ebook affordable, because I know that the book is sold worldwide, and I have followers all over the world. So I have tried to put it at an affordable amount. But yeah, that's a very common thing where you don't know how to deploy a model. So that's the best resource I can direct you to. And just know that you're not alone. That's a very common issue among people who, even if you've come from a very good data science program, you're still going to lack some of those real world items that you're going to need. So that's what I would direct you to. So great question, Piyush.